musanze, welcome to musanze. So as you know, I'm going to show you the room, like where I'm going to stay. I'm going to give you a room tour. This is the home, this is the place. It's called Gift Inn. It's in musanze. You can book it here. We're going to go inside and you see, guys, how the place looks like. Okay, yeah, like it's my first time in musanze. Like I just got here, so let me share the room tour with you guys and show you how it is. We get inside like this. Okay, the lights are off. Yeah, this is the living room. Another one. This is the dining table, and for our rooms, they are upstairs. Let's go. Let's go up. Yeah, look at this curtain. Okay. Yeah. It was such a long drive all the way from Kigali, but we are here. So this is my friend's room. Hey. Maybe he's not inside. And this is my room. Welcome to my room tour. Can't find the switch though, or maybe it's in the room. Oh, it's here. Yeah, all right. So first thing first, this is the bathroom. This is the toilet. This is how it is. We have the small mirror here. Hi. And we have a hot shower. That's the good thing about this place. We have a hot shower. And we have a Wi-Fi. You can see this is the living room. Those are my bags. I have to carry them inside. Yeah. So as you go inside, this is the bed. Look at the bed. Yeah, small back. Yeah, cute. Yeah, this is the bed. And okay, let's put on the lights because it looks dark. Yeah, it kind of looks dark. We get here so late. There were a lot of traffic on the road, a lot of things been going on. This is another small room, maybe like a sitting area where you can sit and do your work. Maybe I will edit some videos from here. And we also have a balcony. Okay. Yeah. So this is the balcony. The view of the neighborhood. Yeah, you can see like this place, this neighborhood is called Muchizungu, which is kind of like a famous name for rich neighborhoods in certain towns. So that's where we are. Look at your girl. Like, I'm so tired. Let me tell you, I'm so tired. But it is what it is. Yeah, this is how it is. That's the view. I'm going to come here in the morning. They told me that the sun rises from there, so we are going to have a very nice sunrise in the morning. All right, guys, so that's the room. That's how it is. I'm going to do my work here. Yeah, this is the bed. You can see like it's so cute. And the bed sheet is so white and so comfy. Yeah, look at this. The bed cover, nice. The bed sheet, nice. Yeah, like a lot of switches or charging area. And yeah, I showed you the bathroom is here. A very cute one. And this is the sitting area and another mirror on this. Oh wow, look at this sink. Look at how cute this sink is, guys. Yeah, look at this cute sink. Okay. And the sitting area. Okay, let me carry my bag. This is my friend's room. Okay, the lights. Yeah, this is the bed. The sitting area. Oh, like mine has a smoker room on the side. Yeah, the curtain. Oh, okay. The bathroom is bigger. It smells nice. It smells so nice. The view. Yeah, and also it has it's a hot shower. Yeah, this room is also a hot shower. The mirror. Yeah, and they have running water, guys. Did I tell you that? Yeah, the water is running here. Oh yeah, my nails. Yeah, the water is running. We have toilet paper, and we have a towel. You saw that the towel on the bed. All right, this is the room for my friend. Yeah, he's going to stay here. Yeah, maybe someone else is staying here, and my friend is staying here. We also have the Wi-Fi, and we have a balcony. We have another balcony outside. Yeah, this is another balcony of the area, and it has like shortcut stairs when you're going down there. Yeah, that's the gate, and that's the front view of the place. You can see there's still some plots, you know, that are not weed, some weeding going on. You know, it's such a nice neighborhood. They told me that it's the one of the richest neighborhood in Musanze, so we have to explore it better. Yeah, because today is almost 5 in the evening, but look at how how dark it is, and I'm a little bit tired, so we are not going to do anything now. We just have to rest, relax, take a shower, and maybe sleep for some minutes. Yeah. All right, guys, thank you for did I tell you how much it is? No, I didn't. Can you believe that it's only 20,000? Yeah, it's only 20,000 Rwandan francs, which is around around what, $15 maybe. Yeah, so that's how much it costs for a night. We have a Wi-Fi, we have a nice neighborhood. You can see some kids playing over there, and it's just a quiet area. Yeah. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and let me know what you think about Musanze, because we are going to explore. Yeah, we are going to explore Musanze. We are going to go like up and down in this whole Musanze. We are going to go for the nightlife, we are going to go for the city tour, we are going to go for the market, and anything they have that is hidden gem, anything that is interesting, we are going to do it all. Yeah, we are going to do it. All right, guys, see you in another video. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you're watching with ads, please don't skip them. Okay, you're gonna have to make some money, so don't skip them. All right. Yeah, why am I being so dramatic? Okay, I will see you in another one. Bye.